So I went ahead and pulled the gas tank off so I could look further into what's going on. It's idling pretty high. I noticed a couple of things disconnected. The throttle position sensor doesn't look like it has the screws to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and maybe purchase a new one. I don't know, but whenever I put it on, idles real high. So now that I'm in here, I could look at the spark plugs and stuff. Wow. Yeah, so spark plugs look terrible, so I'll go ahead and grab a couple more. So I got into where the throttle body is at, and look how dirty it looks. Looks like it's never been sprayed or cleaned, so I'll get that done. So now, real quick brake job. It looks like this pin comes out, and you have both of your brakes right there, one on each side, and you'll just take them off. There's actually two pins, one right there I just took off, and then the second one is right there. So you pull both those pins out. See the little hole? I don't know if you can see that right there for the first one. The second one is right there. You just pop those both out and your brakes will come off. Once you take them off, this is loose, so you just kind of pull this little thingamajiggy out right here, and then you'll have access to both of your brake pads. Once you take it off, the caliper looks like this. Of course, you want to push them back and get the brakes to fit. I only can find this big sleek C-clamp right now. I don't feel like digging out my small one, but this is how it works. You just put both calipers back in and the brakes are able to fit. There it is, they're both in. Again, this is what I'm using. C-clamp. Looks like the front and the back brake pads are exactly the same, so I'll just open any one of them. These are old ones right here, and this is the new. Nice and thick. Yep. And then reverse assembly is pretty self-explanatory. Then you line your tool holes up. There they are right there. One. And then the second one's way in there. I don't know if you can see it. And there it is. Both pins are lined up, and you'll just push them in. I'm going to use a tool to do it, but you just push them in and it's locked in and your brakes are done. Just like so.